Hey guys, this is my new Samsung Galaxy A70. I purchased this through Best Buy a few weeks ago. Just got delivered today. It was on sale for $500 plus 15% tax. The regular price on these are, I believe, $649. This is the Canadian model. You can actually get the international model usually through Amazon, which is about $50 cheaper, but it has a few less settings on it. So this is the 128 gig and a 6 gig of RAM Samsung Galaxy A70. So let's open her up. So once you first open the box, you're going to have this little box, and inside it has your quick start guides and your mobile care. And there's the phone. It's a 6.7-inch screen, which is really nice. And let's get her out for the first time. Nice gloss on the back. And this one's considered black. See the different colors. It's got the 3 cameras, the flash, and it's in a protective film to keep the prints off. So in the box you have your quick charger. I believe it's 30 watts. You have your charging cable, which is Type C. And you have your part there to actually take out your micro SD card that goes in the side. Alright, so let's get her plugged in for the first time. Alright, so it's showing 5%. We'll see how long it takes to get to 100%. Again, this is a 30 watt quick charger, so we'll see how quick this charger actually is. So the phone's been charging for about an hour and 50 minutes. And let's see where it's at here. 99%. So while we're waiting for that to finish, I picked up a 128 gig micro SD card. As well, I have a case for the phone, and this is supposed to be dust and waterproof. And it actually, you actually have to take off 6 screws, put the phone in, and put the cover on. So this is nice, brand new phone. I don't want it to get banged or scratched up, so I'm going to put it right in the case. That's why I'm going to leave the plastic covering the phone on until it goes in the case. So once this is charged, I'm going to transfer over the data from my current phone, which is a Motorola Moto X Play, onto here. And I'm going to put my SIM card in as well as the micro SD card. And then we'll get it in the case and see how it looks. And just to let everybody know, it's at 100%. So your first initial charge takes roughly 2 hours. So just a heads up when you get the phone, and I like to have it fully charged before I turn it on for the first time. Phone's fully charged. I've just actually installed it in my iMatch case. I purchased this off Amazon. This case was, I believe, $36.99. Actually is held on with 6 screws. It's supposed to be waterproof and dustproof. However, I would say it's more dustproof. And it's a nice case. The only thing I find with it, it's fairly heavy. So let's boot this up for the first time. Alright, so once it's booted up, you have to go through a couple of the settings to configure your phone, which I've done. And I've installed again my SIM card and my micro SD. I've actually installed a 128 gigabyte SD card, and I'll transfer all my photos to that card instead of saving it on the phone. That way you have more room for your apps. But so far I'm quite pleased with the phone. Again, it's quite large. This is replacing my Motorola Moto X Play phone that I've actually had for almost 4 years due to the battery starting to die on my phone actually that I'm using to record this video. Anyways guys, just a short video unboxing my new Samsung Galaxy A70. Again, this is 128 gig and 6 gigs of RAM. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching guys.